fluttering away. Hello, I'm Danielle, the author of Moose Mischief, A Pancake Surprise. And on the Moose Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today we're making these beautiful butterflies. I always get so happy when I see a butterfly fluttering around in my garden. Butterflies are insects with a life cycle of 4 stages. They start out as an egg and then become a caterpillar. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis, which it stays inside for several days or even weeks before emerging as a beautiful butterfly. Butterflies can live anywhere between 1 week to a year, depending on the species. They feed on nectar from flowers. Here's what you need: coffee filters, markers, colored clothespins, but if you don't have colored clothespins, you can paint yours, black pipe cleaners, a spray bottle, disposable gloves, and a paint tray. Let's get started! First, we will color in the butterflies with different colors with our markers, and then we'll spray it with water to create a really cool tie-dye effect. To create the butterfly, you will need 2 coffee filters. I will start with pink and blue. Wonder what color it will make. I bet it'll be pretty neat. So I think I'll do the edges pink first. Doesn't really matter how you color it on there. It doesn't have to look good at all. Just scribble in your colors. Put in the blue, pink. I think I'll put the pink in a little bit darker on the edges because I think I did it a little too light the first time around. So I'm adding more pink. I want to make sure that my butterfly is nice and colorful. So I'm going over the blue again as well. There we go. I think that'll look really nice. So I will set that aside. I will do the bottom in green and blue. I hope this makes a pretty color when it's done. I bet it will. What color do you think blue and green makes when it's mixed together? I guess you'll find out soon. Wow, that looks so cool. If you'd like to make more than one butterfly, just color in more coffee filters and try all kinds of different color combinations. Okay, now put on some gloves because you don't want to get marker all over your hands. Now grab your spray bottle. Oops, I didn't mean to spray that. And spray your coffee filters. Oh, look at the colors starting to bleed together. How cool. It looks like blue and pink kind of make purple. What do you think? Does that look purple when it's mixed together? Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that neat tie-dye effect. Okay, let's spray the other one. Look at that tie-dye effect. It's so cool. You just mix it around in there so it really bleeds together, the 2 colors. Oh, that's just beautiful. It's like an emerald green. Let's set it aside to dry. Okay, so we will grab the clothespin and make that the body of our butterfly. And then we will attach the wings to it. You'll take the coffee filter and you'll scrunch it up into the center. Just like this. Then you'll open up your clothespin and clip it to the paper. And now we have the bottom of our butterfly wings. You will do the same thing to the other coffee filter. And now you have the wings of your butterfly. For the last step, we'll add on the antennas. I'm going to cut it about right here. That seems like a good size for the antennas. So now I will bend my antennas. And I'll put a little bit of glue right here on the edge. I will open up the clothespin and attach it. Put another dab of glue right here. I'll open up the clothespin again and attach it. Isn't that a beautiful butterfly? Now you can take it outside and play with it. I can just see it fluttering around in the garden. I had so much fun making this butterfly with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to see your butterfly, so please take a picture of it and post it to Facebook or Instagram, hashtag it Moose Mischief. And please check out my book, Moose Mischief, A Pancake Surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the best chef in Alaska, but is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.